Hello everyone!
Today we are going to see how to convert a video into audio format using VLC Media Player. Now let's see how to do it. We will click on Media here and we will click on Convert or Save. The shortcut key for this is Ctrl plus R. Here you can add your file. Let me choose the file. After choosing the file, you can click on Convert or Save. And here you will choose which format you want this into. We will click on this and we can choose audio-mp3 and then it will be asking the destination file. We will choose a destination file. After choosing the destination, we will click on start. After doing this process, we will just open the folder where we save that file.
戦わなければ勝てない。
Oh my god!
戦え。
And that's how we will convert a file.